Hey Facebook fam, today we are gonna make some delicious oxtail my way. I'm gonna put a little vinegar in it just to clean them out. Make sure the vinegar gets on everything. Okay, so of a cup of the sofrito we're gonna put inside. This is 4 packs of meat. It's 3 pounds, a little over 3 pounds of meat. Actually, I think I'm gonna put the extra quarter just to make it a full cup. I think a cup is gonna be enough. I mean, I'm gonna stir it. I don't want to stick my hand in there because I only got one hand and I need to grab some more utensils and stuff. So I'm going to use my spoon to stir everything up. I'm going to add 1 packet of this sazon packet, and then stir it again. I got Goya cooking wine, red wine, y'all. I'm about to add 1/2 cup of this, and then 1/2 cup of the soy sauce. Okay, so this is about 1/2 cup of wine. And this is the soy sauce. It's my store brand soy sauce. It's cheap. It's just to give it, I use the soy sauce more for the darkness, to give the sauce, the gravy, a little bit of tint. So 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Now we're gonna mix everything together. At our Worcestershire, and we're pretty much done. We're gonna add just about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire. That's it. That's how I marinate my oxtails. Okay, so this is the meats that we marinated. I put it in at 9, I believe 40 something, and it's 12:15. I took it out around 12 o'clock. I separated the meats from the juices. We are gonna start off with 4 tablespoons of butter, or 1/4 cup of butter. Take about 1/4 cup. It's gonna get big. It's gonna become So there goes my sauce. I coated my meats in flour. So let's see if we can get it in there. Just get it to cook. This was an onion I had left over. I just chopped it up roughly, and just to give it some texture in the stew. This is some tomatoes, butter, but I am gonna put some chicken broth. Let me stir this up a little bit before I add any more liquid. Most definitely add more broth to this. I added 1 cup. I'm gonna add another cup. Beautiful. Stir it once more. I'm going to taste it to make sure that the flavors are good. They're well balanced. You don't want it too salty. You don't want it bland. You know. Let's get a little spoon right here. That's good. What I am going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. A tiny bit of tomato sauce. This is tomato sauce with oregano. Keep adding chicken broth to it as long as it keeps losing until you find that the meat is tender, it's well done, and it's enough liquid for the meat. This is going to come out as a stew, like a stewed oxtails. That was about a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, which I'm going to stir in right now. It's very well seasoned right now. I feel like that the more it cooks is gonna lose a little salt, but you can keep adjusting the taste and keep adjusting the seasonings as it cooks. You just keep tasting it. This is part of cooking. So it's on low. I put it on 2. I have low and then 2. So I put it on 2. And we're gonna keep it on here, and we're gonna cover it for about an hour, and we'll come check on it again. Okay, so it's been an hour. Let's see what this looks like. Where you're going to adjust flavors, you're going to taste it, you're going to make sure that everything is good to the way it is. If it tastes right, then just let it cook, cover it back up. Let's see what this is about right now. Oh, doesn't this look good? It smells wonderful. And as you can see, the liquid actually didn't evaporate as much as I thought it was going to. If your liquid evaporates, please feel free to add more broth. You need the liquid for this meat to cook. It's gonna tenderize your oxtail. Let's taste this. See what it's like. My sauce is thick. If my sauce is thick and you did it the way I did it, your sauce should be thick. The salt is going down a little bit. I am going to add a sazon packet. That's the sazon packet. We're gonna stir it up. Taste it once more. Perfect. Cover and wait another hour. Back to the stew. It's another hour. We're gonna check it. It still looks good. The meat is not quite soft yet, so my stew is not ready. As you can see, it's not falling off the bone. It's still a little rough. So just stir a little. If you feel anything at the bottom sticking to the pan, try to scrape it off. Mix it. And cover it in. It's a little over 2 hours. And let me tell you, this meat is done. It is soft, tender to the bone. All this sauce. It's just delicious. So this is a like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified of my next video. I hope y'all enjoying this recipe. Until next time, y'all, enjoy.